In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen and watch your students in Google Meet at the same time. This is especially useful for educators who want to maintain attentiveness and ensure that all students are engaged while conducting online classes. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, begin by joining or creating a Google Meet call. You likely already know how to do this, but just in case, navigate to meet.google.com and either enter a code to join a meeting or click on New Meeting to start one. Once you're in the meeting, you're ready to begin sharing your screen. Next, look for the Present Now button, which is located at the bottom right of the Meet window. Click on this button to initiate sharing your screen. This action will prompt you to select what you wish to share. Here you have three options: your entire screen, a specific window, or a particular browser tab. It's important to choose the option that best suits your teaching needs. For instance, if you're sharing a presentation, selecting the specific window that the presentation is in can be more efficient. After you've started your presentation, you might wonder how to keep an eye on your students. This is where the picture-in-picture mode comes in handy. While you're presenting, hover over the screen where the Google Meet meeting is open and click the three dots you see there. This will open more options for you. Among these, choose the picture-in-picture option. This feature allows you to see a small movable window showing your students' video feeds. Once you have the picture-in-picture mode active, you can resize and reposition the participant's view to your liking. This means you can place this little window wherever it won't interfere with your presentation view, but still allows you to efficiently monitor your students. Now, let's go over some important points to remember for an enhanced experience. First, always choose the right sharing option based on your needs. The choice between full screen, window, or tab can affect how easily you can transition between your material and the Google Meet interface. Also, if you have a second monitor, it can be incredibly helpful. You can display your presentation on one monitor while keeping the Google Meet interface on the other, giving you a much broader view of your students. Additionally, adjusting the layout of participants can make a big difference. By clicking on the Change Layout option in Google Meet, you can customize the view, allowing you to see more students at once if that's what you need. This is especially useful if you're teaching a large class and want to ensure everyone is attentive and participating. By following these steps and keeping these tips in mind, you can smoothly run your class, ensuring that you're delivering your content effectively while keeping a watchful eye on student engagement. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.